Ladies and gentlemen, I'm delighted to be here. I want to talk to you about my company. It was born out of necessity. I wanted to make a little bit better our city. I wanted to help young people who were obese. I wasn't happy to meet overweight adults. I wasn't happy to encounter people in the streets scrolling on their smartphones and not knowing how to walk on the pavement. For these reasons, I started the I Walk Birmingham company. Therefore, I walk people, and when we walk, we have excellent conversations about books, race, religion, male female relationships, psychology, philosophy, sociology, geography, architecture, and history.